What's up, Team Kirlew? We back with another video. It's been a while. I'm just here to let y'all know how we've been doing so far. Well, as y'all can see, since the last time I ever made a video, she was in my stomach. Yep, she was in my stomach. She's here. She's 1 years old. And yeah, they go rapper. Say hi.
Still around, oh boy. I know what
yes, he's still here. Today we took the kids out to a birthday party. I'll be showing you guys clips in the video. I'm just giving you a quick update. Right now my husband has been here since 2022. It's now 25. About to be 26 very soon. Yes, we here, Team Kirlew. We still here. We still a family. And we have one more baby in the house, but I'm gonna let y'all meet him. He's 4 months. So Blaze and Junior will be one at the same time for 5 days. I've been stressed out with having these kids. But yeah, I'm back. I'm trying to get y'all some more content and show you my other son. He out here on a dirt bike. I got little Junior. He's in the house sleep. What you got to say, babe? How you doing?
Good,
what's up?
We've been out here hustling, grinding, make sure the kids good, family all right. I know what it is.
Yes, yeah. We've been out here grinding. That's all we can do. Grind, take up these kids. Y'all want to see Junior? I'll show y'all in the video. He's asleep. I don't want to interrupt his sleep right now. It's been a long day in the sun for him. He's a winter bird. She's a winter bird. Both of my babies was born in the snow blizzards. I have one January the 1st, which is the new very first baby of this year in my area. He was the first baby of 2025. Her birthday is on the 5th of January. So as I said, they will be 5 days apart, whatever the case may be. So you guys, I'm gonna let y'all see my other son. But me and my husband, we've been chilling, vibing, working, taking care of these kids. That's the most important thing. It's a lot of ups and downs, but we was able to get through everything. Nothing beat a failure but a trier, or however y'all want to call that. I'm trying to find my other son. He out here on a dirt bike. I'm letting him ride. As I said, we just came from the party. Here you go. Say hey, Team Kirlew. You see my other son? All us dressed alike. Yes. The baby boy's in the house, huh? They keep cutting off. It's still warming up. My big boy's on his dirt bike. Go ahead, let him see. Yes, Team Kirlew, that's my oldest son. I'm letting him out here play, have fun, do what we do. Yeah. But we've been chilling. I've been on TikTok lately. Well, I haven't been on TikTok like that. I have to update you guys on TikTok and update you on our page. You'll be hearing a lot more from us. Since I had these babies, I'm going to be able to get back on the grind with the YouTube and everything. But I'm going to show you guys a clip of our day today. And make sure y'all keep following Team Kirlew. From Jamaica to the U.S., me and my husband, we doing our thing. We doing our thing. Always doing our thing. We on truck number 2. We've been hustling. We buy cars, we flip them. I'm working. I got new positions at my job. Call me sergeant now. Yeah, babe, is there anything you guys want to let Team Kirlew know? He's on. Anything else? Showing the kicks. All the kids is matching. All us is matching. There go baby Blaze over here. Say hi, mommy.